Hey guys, Natalia Perez for Big Boys Neighborhood, and we are at the world premiere of Avengers Endgame, where we talk to all the, we got some waves. Check it out. How excited are you to be here tonight?
So excited. This feels like electricity. Oh my God, this is going to be amazing.
What does it mean to you to be a part of Marvel and the Avengers?
It's a bit of a, I feel like a bit of a competition winner, to be honest, because like as a kid I collected Spider-Man comics. I didn't realize there was a character called Wong, and to get that, and my name is Wong, and somehow I feel really sort of aligned, and thank the universe for that. Yeah,
I love it. I mean, I'm very grateful to be part of this whole family, and the word culmination is appropriate. Here we are, and we'll see. I hope I like the movie, but more importantly, I hope the fans love the movie.
Do you think if you weren't a part of this family, you would be a fan?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. I love how the movies connect to one another, and that's something that we haven't really had in these sort of big budget tentpole movies, is a bunch that all live in the same world, and that's rad, I think.
You are a part of the Marvel family. What does it feel like to be a part of that?
It feels wonderful. I mean, look, Marvel seems like it's in everyone's home. It seems like everyone loves some aspect of it. So to be a part of it, be a part of this universe, to be in this family, it's a thrill. It really is.
If you can go back to your first day on set of being part of this universe, knowing what you know now, what do you think you would tell yourself?
Oh my gosh, I would tell myself to enjoy every second of it, because there's not going to be another one. It's not going to, 10, 20 years from now, it's not going to be like, oh, this is another franchise that's like the MCU that I was part of. That ain't going to happen. So I really am trying to enjoy as much of it as I can in the moment.
Wow. I would tell myself to be prepared for the unexpected, because I started the first day, and honestly, my first day I was just recurring. I was recurring for quite a while. Then they made me series regular, and my guy was just a mechanic. And then he started going out fighting people, and then doing that. Now all of a sudden, my guy's director of S.H.I.E.L.D.
Yeah.
So I mean, that's a big deal.
Big step up.
Yeah, that's a big
glow up.
Yeah, started from the bottom. Ho!
How excited are you? Like, are you a big Marvel fan?
I am. I don't think nobody understands how much I love Marvel, Avengers, all this. This is like, I feel like I'm like 10 years old. I never had a chance to do this, so this is like real shocking. Like, my favorite characters are Thanos and Thor. And all I've been saying all week is I want to meet those two guys. Like, I've been wanting to meet them. So I get on the plane this morning to come here, and Thanos is on the same plane as me. So I'm walking to my seat, and I'm like, I said, this is Thanos over here. Like, I'm trying not to like go crazy, but I'm like, man, I love you, man. I started talking to him. I sat down, and I wrote him a letter.
What did you say?
I told him in a letter that I was very happy to meet him. He's been one of my favorite actors for a long time, and he inspired me to do a lot of great things, and I appreciated him and his role in Avengers as being Thanos. I know a lot of people thought that Thanos was this super, super bad person, and of course he's the villain, so, but I just liked his character and what he stood for. I actually got a purple car because of Thanos. So I'm telling him all this in my letter, and he writes one back. And I'm like, oh, this is crazy. So I've been on like this crazy like vibe all day, and then as soon as I get here, I see Thor. So I'm like, man, tonight's gonna be amazing. So I'm just happy to be here, man. This is an awesome experience. I wish everybody can get a chance to, see stuff like this. This is amazing.
I want to have a little fun with you. If you had the Thanos snap in your real life, and there was something you just wanted to snap and disappear and get away from it, what would it be?
Oh, get rid of all the greed in the world. Boom.
I love that. Snap greed gone.
Yeah, greed is gone.
I would snap out human beings that think that their life is worthier than the life of others.
This is why I knew I loved you. I mean, like, namesake and all. That was such a great end. Thank you so much.
You're an elitist. I'm going to snap you out of existence.
Bigotry. But you know what? That goes so far, even beyond just bigotry of color. I mean, there's bigotry in all aspects. Because look, if you erase bigotry, then you have people that are sympathetic towards one another, and that ends so many other things. That ends violence and jailing and hunger and so many things. So that's what I would do.
Oh my gosh, I would like to get rid of. I would like to get rid of people who manufacture outrage over for reasons that are not important.